Yes, considering purchasing a new home. On behalf of our sponsors at Oregon State Credit Union, today we're learning helpful tips and tricks. Check it out. Thinking about making a home purchase, is now a good time, and what can we afford? And how about interest rates and closing costs? What if there was a way to make things simpler? Well, Danielle Echeverry, a mortgage loan officer with Oregon State Credit Union, is going to help us break it all down. So Danielle, always so great to see you. Tell us about your mortgage career.
Yeah, so I've been in the industry for about 11 years now, the last 6 of which have been with Oregon State Credit Union.
So is right now a good time to buy a house?
We certainly think so. Even though interest rates have risen, they're actually historically back to average. And as a matter of fact, they're coming down from their high point in the fall of last year, which is always good news. Additionally, it's important to remember that you can always refinance your mortgage down the line.
Yes, that is something we need to remember. Get in now because there's only one of the house that you want, right?
Exactly, yeah.
And how can, buyers determine their affordability?
That's where you need to speak with a loan officer, such as myself. We'll sit down, we'll take a good look at your income. We'll also evaluate your credit and liabilities, and from there be able to determine just how large of a monthly payment you can handle while still staying financially healthy. Once we know how large that monthly payment can be, we can then determine how big of a loan amount we'll be able to provide you.
And what is the, down payment and closing costs? And is there a way to get help with some of those costs?
Yeah, absolutely. And that's a really good question. So having a down payment tells lenders that you're really serious about buying, but how much of a down payment you have to bring will depend a lot from lender to lender and even from program to program. Generally speaking, though, you can come in with as little as 3 to 5% down, which is a lot less than what a lot of folks believe. And additionally, there are closing costs that have to be accounted for as well, but there are nonprofit agencies out there that can help and assist in being able to pay for both the down payment and the closing costs.
That's so great. That's the benefit of talking to you guys because you know some of those programs. So we really don't need 20% down?
Exactly, yeah. And we partner with a lot of these agencies. We can help you determine whether you would be eligible for down payment assistance, and if so, how much.
What do you recommend? This is a scenario we see often. Someone already owns a home but wants to purchase a second home.
That's a fantastic question, and it's actually really doable.
Okay.
For one thing, you can tap into the equity in your existing home to help make a very large down payment or even potentially purchase a new property outright. The other thing that you can do is utilize the prospective rental income from your existing home to help you qualify for the purchase of the new home. If you want to find out more details about that, give us a call.
I love that because both homes can work together.
Exactly.
So I'm learning that making that call is the best way to start moving forward. Is there anything else that our viewers should know?
Absolutely. The home buying process is not a cookie cutter process. Each situation is different and unique. It's important to work with your loan officer, like myself, to find what works best for you and your financial situation. If you would like to get some more assistance, please reach out to us. You can find my contact information at OregonStateCU.com.
Yes, OregonStateCU.com. I cannot wait to see you soon. Thanks for all the help today. We really appreciate it, Danielle.
Thanks for having us.
Yes, visit OregonStateCU.com for more information, and happy house hunting.